Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple steps to enable the Save Live to Archive feature on Instagram using your Android phone. This feature automatically saves your live videos to your archive so you can watch or share them later anytime. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Then, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Next, scroll and find Archiving and Downloading. Tap on it to open the archiving options. After that, you will see an option called Save Live to Archive. Simply toggle this option on. Once enabled, your live videos will automatically be saved to your archive after you finish streaming. That's all for today's tutorial. Enabling Save Live to Archive on Instagram is an easy way to keep your live videos saved safely. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.